So today I'm about to show you how to compare two distinct source documents using NotebookLM. First, open NotebookLM and enter the workspace where your research files are stored. Go over to Sources panel on the left sidebar of your screen where your uploaded documents are listed. To run a direct comparison, you need to isolate your data. Use the checkboxes next to each file to uncheck your entire library, leaving only two specific documents you want to compare check. Now, move down to the chat bar at the bottom. Instead of asking for a broad overview, instruct the AI to perform a structured side-by-side analysis. Type a prompt like, compare and contrast these two selected documents, identify the core similarities, the major differences, and any direct contradictions between their arguments or data points. NotebookLM will instantly scan both files, run a semantic comparison, and map out the contrasting insights for you. And that's it. That's how to compare two distant source documents using NotebookLM. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topics you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.